Morning, students. So today I'm making a video on that one of the topic of 10th class, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. So it's a just small introductory video, you can say, that what on YouTube channel I will teach only some of the difficult topics and with different methods, different easy tricks I'm going to explain. अगर आपको डिटेल में पढ़ना है और पूरा सिलेबस करना है तो आप मेरा prv academy ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. आप मेरी एकेडमी में आ सकते हैं, prv academy, जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस है विथ 1-to-1 इंटरेक्शन डेली. और देयर आई विल टीच यू इन अ proper way, in detail, the every chapter, and you will not face any problem in your board exams, especially for board classes. Video, you can say that what is the meaning of the linear equations in two variables. You must have studied in junior classes the linear equations in one variable, mainly in class 6th, 7th and 8th. The word linear means the variable having the without any power, means the power if one is there, so that is called linear. So if I'll write only x, only y, only a, only b, so if no power is written means the power is 1 on that. You all are aware of this. आप सबको पता है कि अगर कोई पावर नहीं है तो पावर 1 है, right? So that is the meaning linear. Later on you will study in 10th class first time only that quadratic. Quadratic means when the power is 2, the highest power on the variable, if it is 2, that is called quadratic. And when power 3 will be there, same like that, the cubic. Then power 4 is there, so biquadratic or quartic and so on. So here we will discuss not about this the quadratic equation. So power 1 or no power if it is written, so that means it is called linear. So that is the meaning of linear here. Then equations, you all know the meaning of equation. Equation means equals to sign. The word equation derived from the word equal, equal. So if from here instead of L, if I'll put tion, so this word will become equation. So the most important part for an equation is you must have the equals to sign between the two different algebraic expressions, and that is the basic difference also between algebraic expression and equation. So the simplest definition in junior classes you have done about this, the equation is the two algebraic expressions. If I'll write say x plus 3 is equals to 5x minus 4. So these are two algebraic expressions and they are separated by an equals to sign. A sign of equality is there which is balancing both sides. So equation you have learned in junior classes about with this equals to sign, और equal से ही बना है word equation. So linear means no power on the variable, means variable without power, the variable is linear. Then equation, I have explained you that two algebraic expressions separated by equals to signs, so it will convert into an equation. So the must is equals to sign in the equation. Then two variables means in the same equation, you have done linear equation in one variable, so only one variable is here. Like here in this, you see this is linear equation in one variable. One variable, not in counting one variable, like you can say sir here, so two variables are there. One variable means the same variable. Like in both sides, LHS and RHS, you see X only is there. So this is linear equation in one variable. Two variables means two different alphabets we are going to use. Two different variables, two different unknown quantities. Like if I'll write X plus 2y equals to 5x minus 3. Now here if you see, the two variables are x and y. So this is called the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. This is linear equation. This is also a linear equation because sign of equality is there. So it is an equation. Variable is there and same variable is there. So this is linear equation in one variable. Here two different alphabets we are using, X and Y or A and B. If I'll write like 7a minus 2b equals to 9. So this is also linear equation in two variables, right? Now to solve linear equations, now the topic if you'll see is pair of linear equations in two variables. So why pair is needed, or we call it simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So pair of linear equation is needed to solve the equation or to find the value of the roots of this equation, like here a and b is there or x and y is there. If linear equation in one variable is there, so single equation you can solve very easily by transposing the terms, the variables on left hand side and constant on the right hand side, and you can solve it very easily. But to solve the linear equations in two variables, a pair of linear equation is needed. Like if I'll write x plus 2y is equals to 7 and say x minus 5y is equals to 10. So this is the first equation you can say, and this is the second equation. So if a pair of equation is not there, so this is the first equation, this is the second equation. So pair of equation is there, two equations are there, or simultaneous linear equations in two variables you can say, x and y. Here the two variables are x and y. It can be any alphabet from a to z, right? It's not necessary that only x, y or a, b or c, d. It can be any p, q, r, s, u, v, w, x, whatever it may be. So different methods are there to solve these linear equations in two variables, right? So in our next uh, class you can say, or the next video, I will explain you which are the different three methods in 10th class now which you have to use to solve these equations. So just their name I can tell you today, that the first method is that the substitution method, the second method is the graphical method, and the third method is the most easiest and important method, that is the elimination method, in which we eliminate one of the variable and we try to solve to find the values of the both the variables. So thank you, that much only for today.